what I eat in a day on the Nutritarian diet. Breakfast is a lovely spinach mango cherry smoothie. This recipe was generously provided by Helen, she is one of our lovely Eat to Live family members. Into the Vitamix goes romaine lettuce and spinach. We add a small lemon that has been peeled, except for a small portion for added zest. Some ground flax, fresh ginger, ground nutmeg, fresh turmeric, and freshly ground black pepper go in, along with some almond butter and plant milk. Yes, I did say black pepper and turmeric. The pepper helps the body extract the goodness from the turmeric more thoroughly, and you can't even taste it. A pitted medjool date, a mango, and some frozen dark cherries round out this smoothie. Now we're going to blend it all up, and it's breakfast! For lunch, we are appropriately calling this our big lunch salad with tons of greens. We start with some sweet kale mix and shredded cabbage, then we add some romaine lettuce and spinach. Chop, 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 chop. We throw this mixture into our favorite 2-quart Corral bowl for eating. Toppings for our big salad are garbanzo beans, fresh corn kernels, purple onion, some heirloom cherry tomatoes. We're going to dress it with some salsa, sprinkle some unfortified nutritional yeast when serving. This is so easy. We finished off lunch with some fresh strawberries for those berry G-bombs. And now dinner is a super simple and quick too. We're calling it the steamed broccoli with cheese sauce, reminiscent of our childhood, but way healthier and fresher. For the sauce, we have soaked some raw sunflower seeds and drained them. Into the Vitamix they go, along with some plant milk, hemp hearts, roasted red pepper, peeled carrot, cornstarch, and spices. This gets blended until it's hot enough to cook, so to speak. You can see that steam rising when the lid is removed from the Vitamix. That's about 5 minutes or so in a Vitamix. Or if you don't have a high-powered blender like this, or if you prefer to cook it in the microwave or a pan on the stove, simply heat it until the sauce sort of comes together and heats through. That's about 5 minutes. You're going to need to stir it as it heats too. We add some fresh lemon juice, and it's time to dress up our broccoli. A big old plate of steamed broccoli, have as much as you want. Some sriracha sauce if you like, sort of for decoration, and a slathering of that cheesy sauce. Yummy! We finish dinner off with a serving of watermelon to top it off. Those flavors, oh, I love those flavors. So much yumminess. I just can't help but smile when I think of all the nutrients and flavors we get to enjoy on this lifestyle. Which meal sounds the most fun to you? Let me know down below in the comment section, and we'll talk about that. Now, I gotta chat with you about something really quickly, okay? So when you're watching this video, when I release it, it is time for something really special. I wonder, do you ever feel lonely when you eat this way? Do you ever feel like you're kind of the only one around that eats like this and you sort of wish you had some other people? Well, guess what? There is a family that's waiting for you to eat with you, to help you learn how to do this Eat to Live lifestyle. It's called the Eat to Live Family, appropriately. I created it. It is my monthly affordable group coaching membership. You ever wish you could have someone tell you exactly how to eat this way for life, how to become consistent, how to stop falling off the wagon, so to speak, how to lose the weight, how to maintain it, and how to love this whole process? Well, that's what I created the Eat to Live family for, and I would love to see you in it. It happens to be open for registration this minute. It's only open for a little bit longer. It's going to be shutting down for registration pretty soon, so you want to get in while you can. That is thewateringmouth.com/family. Just go there. You'll find out all the information you need to know, and you can join as well. As I said, registration's open now, but this deal isn't going to last forever. So I'd love to see you in the Eat to Live family. It's the place where I coach all the time. You can learn so many things. There's so much content in there. It will blow your mind, and it will change your life. So I'd love to see you in the Eat to Live family, and you got to get in there soon because we're closing soon. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one, and I hope to see you in the Eat to Live family. Bye for now.